So theoretically, if everything gets turned in properly, you cannot lose on a time and material job. You can lose on a fixed contract job.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But
if it rains, for example, or the weather is not friendly, you lose?
Yes, unfriendly weather is not good for construction. But you also lose on a time and material job if our papers aren't turned in with everything on them, because everything that didn't get turned in is not billed, and therefore it's a loss. Mm-hmm. So it's important to have factual paperwork.
Okay. Where a unit price contract come into play? Unit price, whatever you do, you take unit price, whatever the quantity is.
I don't know for sure if I'm following you, but if we do an apartment job, it's by the unit.
Okay.
Okay. Just say you're on a 50-unit job, 50 apartment units, then you have a price per unit, but a total contract for the total of the 50. And normally the billing is broken down in either 2 or 3 billings. In plumbing, it's called a first rough, a second rough, and a finish. So normally there'll be 3 billings on a plumbing job. On a heating and air conditioning job, normally there's a rough in and a finish. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if that's your question exactly.
Yes, in a sense. Maybe also I wanted to ask, suppose a developer acquired a piece of land and he wants to make
it's called the rough, the finish, the 3 the plumbing, the job, the rough, the finish. So
the time,
that's your
the time. So I wanted got the contour, the piece of the contour. He wants the contour.
In plumbing, it's called the contour, rough, a second, and a finish. The 3 they all plumbing, they all heating, they all in job, they all rough, they all finish, they all. So they all, that's your, they all, exactly, they all to the total.
So I wanted
to the total.
Suppose
the total
developer
to the total to the total
got
to the total
the piece
to the total. To the total,
he wants
to the total, plumbing, to the total, it's called
$1,000,
rough, it's called rough, and second,
$1,000,
and a finish.
$1,000,
The 3 bills,
$1,000,
the 3 bills,
$1,000,
plumbing,
$1,000,
job,
$1,000,
$1,000.
What is called?
That's your,
What is called?
exactly.
What is called?
Exactly.
What is called? 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 What is called?
Okay, on it, in plumbing, it's called, rough, a second, and a finish, the 3 back contract, plumbing, your contract, heating, read to, and job, there's a rough amount of work, so it's amount of, that's your, and exact material, your contract.
I got the piece, he wants,
it's called rough, and second, and finish. The 3 bill plumbing, job, rough finish. So that's your, exact.
So I wanted developer got the piece he wants.
It's called rough and second. You read to the 3 bill amount of work plumbing, just amount of heating and job. There's a rough and material finish. That contract. So your contract, that's your, on it, exact. on it.
So I wanted suppose developer got the piece
on it.
What is called? He wants. What is called? What is called?
It's called.
What is called? 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 $1,000, So I wanted $1,000. Suppose $1,000 developer
to the total,
got
the piece,
he wants,
to the total, in plumbing, to the total, it's called to the total, rough, a second, to the total, and a finish. They all, the 3 bills, they all plumbing, they all heating, they all in job, they all rough, they all finish, they all. So they all, that's your, they all in exact.
The contest and the contest. So I want to do the contest. Suppose the contest developer got the piece the contest. The time he wants the time. The time.
It's called
the time.
Rough, the time.
Rough and second. The time.
Finish.
The time. The time.
The 3 bills.
The time.
The 3 bills.
The time.
The time.
Jobs.
The rough. The so the that's your. the
So I wanted the developer to make he wants to make
and plumbing. It's called rough a second
to make
and a finish. The three bits plumbing, heating, and job. There's a rough finish. So that's your exact.
So I wanted suppose developer got acquired a piece. He wants
total of plumbing, total of install, total of rough, total of rough inside, total of finish, total of the three bits, total of the plumbing, total of heating, total of the job, bits of rough, bits of rough, bits, so bits, that's your bits, bits, bits.
So I wanted
bits,
he wants
in plumbing. It's called rough a second and a finish. The three bits plumbing, heating, and job. There's a rough finish. So that's your exact construction.
So I wanted suppose developer got acquired a piece. He wants
you can't read plumbing, you can't install them, you can't rough them, you can't rough inside them, you can't finish them, you can't be three bill, you can't plumbing them, you can't heating them, you can't job them, you can't rough them, rough finish. So that's your exact.
So I wanted suppose developer you got acquired the piece. He wants
in plumbing. It's called rough a second and a finish. The three bits plumbing, heating, and job. There's a rough finish. So that's your exact 10 contract.
So I wanted suppose developer
10 contract.
got acquired the piece. He wants
What plumbing them, what installing them, what rough them, what rough inside them, what finish them, what the three bit them, what plumbing them, what heating them, what job them, what rough them, rough 10 does. So contract that's your exact 10 does.
So I wanted
contract
developer
10
got acquired the piece. He wants
in plumbing. It's called rough a second and a finish. The three bit plumbing, heating, and job. There's a rough finish. So that's your exact.
So I wanted suppose developer got acquired the piece. He wants
plumbing.